Welcome to Baby Lane.
Hello everyone! In this video, we will be playing Speedy English Grammar Practice, fun ESL exercises. This game is a speedy grammar. I like this game so much because this will help us develop our grammar skills. Because grammar is important especially in organizing words and making messages more meaningful. Knowing more about grammar will also help us to build better sentences in speaking and writing performances. And aside from that, this is an opportunity to learn or relearn something. So I am so grateful that there is this kind of application because with this app, you can do self-learning anytime, anywhere. So come on, let's play!
I am okay. We are from Japan. I am in the park. He is from Germany. They are from China. I am an actor. She is happy. We are teachers. She is from Italy.
Very good!
He's from the UK. He's in the park. We're doctors. I'm a manager. She's from the USA. We're nurses. I'm in the park. She's hot. We're from Poland.
Very good!
He isn't at the store. I'm not a soldier. We aren't from Germany. He isn't at the doctor's. I'm not in the park. We aren't tired. He isn't at the bank. I'm not from Spain.
Very good!
I'm happy. I like it. I am a doctor. I live in Spain. I am on the train. I need to sleep. I am great. I like chocolate. I am excited. I go running. I am a doctor. I like chocolate.
Very good.
Are you at the doctor's? No. We are not. No, we are not at the doctor's. How are you? I'm cold. Is she at school? Yes, she's at school. Are they builders? No, they aren't. No, they aren't builders. Are you a nurse?
Very good.
Are they at the store? No, they are not. Is he at work? Yes, he is. Are you from Germany? Yes, I am. Is she at the doctor's? No, she isn't.
Very good.
Is it loud? Is it loud? Is she at the bank? Is she at the bank? No, she's not. No. She's not. Are they nurses? Are they nurses? Yes, they're nurses. Yes, they're nurses. Are you from Poland? Are you from Poland? No, I'm not from Poland. No. I'm not from Poland. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Is he at the mall? Is he at the mall? No, he is not at the mall. No. He is not at the mall. Are you at the bank? Are you at the bank? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you hot? Are you hot? No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from China. I am from China. Is she a scientist? Is she a scientist? Yes, she's a scientist. Yes, she's a scientist. Are you from Germany? Are you from Germany? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Is she from Japan? Is she from Japan? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. Are you at the bank? Are you at the bank? Yes, I am at the bank. Yes. Yes, I am at the bank. I Am. At the bank. Is she unhappy? Is she unhappy? No, she's not. No. She's not. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Russia. I'm from Russia.
Very good.
How are you? Is she from Portugal? Yes, she is. Where are you from? I'm from India. Are you at the doctor's? No, we are not at the doctor's. Are you cold? Yes, I am. Are they scientists? No, they aren't scientists. Is she excited? No, she is not. Are they from Australia? Yes, they're from Australia. Are you a doctor? No, I'm not.
Magnificent.
That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to BB Lane. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you also learned something. Bye-bye! See you in our next video. Please also click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching again. Have a good day. God bless. You could also leave a comment below. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Walang katapusang bye-bye. You could also download this application from the Google Play Store so that you can also play and practice your grammar skills.